Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that truly stands apart from the crowded world of modern automobiles. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is more than just a car. It's a resurrected icon, reimagined for the electric era while staying true to its design heritage. This car is where art meets motion, where history blends with innovation, and where retro charm shakes hands with futuristic performance. From its breathtaking design to its surprising capabilities under the skin, the new Karmann Ghia makes a bold statement in every way imaginable. From the very first glance, it's evident that this car isn't trying to look like anything else on the road. The designers have poured their soul into reviving the legendary shape of the original Karmann Ghia, while updating it with modern touches that elevate the design without compromising the car's identity. The front of the car is graceful and aerodynamic, with clean lines that flow smoothly across a long sculpted hood. The LED headlamps are oval-shaped, giving a nod to the iconic round headlights of the original, but are now intricately detailed with a modern, crystalline pattern. The daytime running lights encircle the headlamps like a halo, making the car instantly recognizable even in motion. There's no traditional grille since it's electric, but the front fascia features subtle air channels and a faux grille design that recalls the original's simple face while aiding airflow and cooling. Small chrome accents and a low wide stance give the car a touch of sophistication and sportiness. Along the side, the design flows uninterrupted like a wave. The fastback roofline stretches gracefully from the A-pillar to the tail, giving it a classic coupe profile. There are no harsh cuts or creases, just a smooth, aerodynamic body with elegant proportions. The wheel arches are slightly flared, housing beautiful 19-inch turbine-style alloy wheels that not only enhance the vehicle's stance, but improve aerodynamics. The door handles are flush with the body and pop out as you approach the car. A thin chrome strip runs along the shoulder line from the front fender to the rear quarter, a gentle homage to the bright work that made the original Ghia such a design marvel. The silhouette is nothing short of automotive poetry. Move to the rear, and the artistry continues. The taillights are slim and sharp, featuring a wraparound LED design that illuminates in a flowing sequence when the brakes are applied or the car is unlocked. There's a subtle light bar connecting both sides, with an illuminated Karmann Ghia badge sitting at the center, glowing softly at night. Below the sculpted rear deck, you'll find a tidy diffuser finished in matte black with two flush-mounted aerodynamic fins. Though the car has no exhaust pipes, designers added dual faux chrome-tipped outlets as a tribute to the past. Everything from the curvature of the rear window to the sloping trunk line has been meticulously crafted to echo the elegance of the original, while ensuring it feels modern and forward-looking. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by an interior that strikes a harmonious balance between nostalgia and modern-day luxury. The dashboard is clean and symmetrical, with soft-touch leather surfaces finished in two-tone color schemes that resemble classic mid-century aesthetics. Circular air vents with metallic surrounds and tactile toggle switches are clearly inspired by vintage cars, but they're executed with premium materials and precision. Front and center is a stunning 12.3-inch curved digital instrument cluster that displays everything from range and speed to navigation and media controls. To the right, a vertically oriented 11-inch touchscreen infotainment panel handles the climate, entertainment, and connectivity features. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the system is responsive and intuitive. The seats are upholstered in Napa leather with vintage stitched patterns, offering exceptional support with integrated heating, ventilation, and even massaging functions in the top trim. The cabin is quiet thanks to advanced sound insulation and laminated acoustic glass. There's ambient lighting woven subtly around the doors and dashboard that adapts based on drive mode or driver preference. In the rear, space is decent for a coupe, with enough legroom for short trips and finely finished trim that ensures passengers don't feel like an afterthought. Underneath its classic skin, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is every bit a modern performance EV. Powering this beauty is a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that produces a healthy 420 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. It launches from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds, which is impressive for a vehicle that prioritizes design over raw aggression. The low-slung battery pack helps keep the center of gravity down, making the Ghia remarkably agile in corners. The suspension is electronically adaptive, adjusting damping rates in real time based on road conditions and drive mode. In comfort mode, the ride is smooth and composed, perfect for cruising. Switch to sport and everything tightens up, offering sharper throttle response, stiffer damping, and more weight in the steering. The regenerative braking system is adjustable as well, allowing you to coast smoothly or opt for one-pedal driving. It features an 82 kWh battery pack that delivers an estimated 310 miles of real-world range. With fast charging capability, the Ghia can recharge from 10 to 80% in under 25 minutes using a DC fast charger, making it practical for long road trips as well. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is positioned as a premium lifestyle vehicle. It starts at $52,000 for the base model, which already includes LED lighting, digital cockpit, synthetic leather seats, and 18-inch wheels. The mid-tier Elegance trim, priced around $59,000, adds premium leather, adaptive air suspension, larger wheels, and a panoramic glass roof. The range-topping Heritage Performance model is offered at $67,000 and includes all-wheel drive, sport-tuned suspension, exclusive Heritage-inspired paint options, and additional interior refinements. Optional packages include a premium sound system by Harman Kardon, enhanced driver assistance features, and unique two-tone retro color schemes for the more style-conscious buyer. This car isn't for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's not meant to carry 5 people and their luggage. It's not built to race a Porsche 911 or out-accelerate a Tesla Plaid. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is designed for those who appreciate the romance of driving, the aesthetics of the past, and the innovation of the future. It's a car that invites admiration at every corner, from people who may not even know what it is but can still recognize something truly beautiful. It fills a niche in the EV market that's been mostly ignored. Stylish, emotionally engaging electric coupes that have a story to tell and a personality to share. So, if you're someone who values individuality, timeless design, and modern sustainability, the new Karmann Ghia is a compelling choice. It's more than just transportation. It's a celebration of automotive artistry. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive the new Ghia? Does it live up to the legendary name? Let us know, and until next time, drive safe, stay inspired, and enjoy the journey.